looking to avoid the blue light issues with when you're gaming on your laptop, console, or TV or anything, definitely check out these awesome orange light glasses by Titan. So this was a sample given to me by the brand. Thank you so much. So this is the packaging. I like the little box that says level up your gaming. I'm a huge gamer, so it's pretty cool. So on top of that, you have over here comes in a little plastic, and then you also have a little. Let me show the rest of the packaging. Has a little cleaner. Sorry, drop the little instruction thing, but has a little baggie that comes with it. Very nice. I really like the baggie, and then has a little cleaner and this, to clip the glasses. So they look very nice, as you can see. So now you're here for the glasses, not so much the box. So definitely check them out. This is what they look like on me. They look pretty nice. They're a little bit big, but they don't look like they look nice. At least I like it. So I'm a huge gamer, as you can see. I just have Street Fighter playing in the background, but just for the aesthetic of it. But definitely check it out. I really like them. Thank you so much, Titan, for the glasses. I'll be using these when I'm gaming, so hope you do too.